So hello everyone, today I am going to tell about world map. First I have to tell my name. My name is Aradhya. So today I will tell about the world map. First, all of that students have the confusion how to draw that world map. You can see our earth world map. So they are confused, what is this? What is it? How can we draw? And they will draw very roughly and not in a good quality. But today I'm going to tell about my first point about how to draw the world map. Okay, so first you have to take like this. It shows my drawing is not good. It shows that the both of the pole means the north and the south poles are are some flat, not circled much. And now you have to draw the map. So that is the west, and that is the east, Okay. So how to draw the world map? First, you have to take a equator line. This is called the 0 degree. I'm rubbing it. Okay. So this is the 0 degree. From 0 degree, you have to make a line, and now you have to half it. You have to have the circle. Means you can say divide it in the equal parts. Okay. Equal parts. So this is the 0 degree. Now from 10 to 90 you have to write the numbers like this, and then you have to 180 to 10 you have to write like this number here also, 10 to 180. Okay, 10. Okay, it is done. Now you have to see the marking and draw the world map by, like, you have to draw the Asia. So first of all you have to draw all three lines. This is called the equator, and from this 30 degree up the 30 degree, that is called the Tropic of Cancer. And then in the south pole, it is called the Tropic of Capricorn. So it will have you to make the world map. So you have to, that the Tropic of Cancer is passing through the India. So you have to draw like this India. My drawing is not good. Like you can draw. So this is between 60 to 90 degree from my information. That is 62 between the 60 to 90 degrees. So you can see. Then you can draw the full Asia and the North America. How to draw the North America? You see, there is a line like this. I think like this. So from the it is passing 1 minute. Sorry, it is means you can see the line and then know there is a like a state line you can see between the South America to the North America. And if you see the South America, so you can draw like this because it is passing through this. And a fact about the Africa, that from the Africa three lines are passing. This is the fact of the Africa. So now this is about the world map. So there are seven continents, five oceans. The name of the seven continent is Asia, Europe, America, South America, Africa, and Antarctica. Australia, yes, Australia. And there is a five ocean, about that. And you know that above the 30 degree, you can see from the equator that line are passing, there is much heat and there is much rain. Like you can see the Brazil and Malaysia and Indonesia. You can see there is a much fruits like, से खजूर को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? Dates. Yes, you can see the dates, and by the dates we get the oil. So you can see palm oil. Yes, palm oil. So now, you know about the GPS tracking. How to coordinate a GPS tracking? So you have a question. What is this GPS? What it is do? You know that it tell your coordinate. So first I want to tell your coordinate means and upper part. This is not much high level. So first you have to draw this earth like this. So last one. सिर्फ चल ही नहीं रहा है. I will tell a question in the last. You have to comment. अच्छा, question is. My question is oceans. अच्छा. The oceans name are Southern Ocean, Antarctica, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. You know that the by the India name, there is a ocean called Indian Ocean, but it is half of the earth. So, but we have to call it Indian Ocean. Okay. So let us start from the coordinate. How to find the coordinate? So I'm telling about this. So first you have to draw like this. I'm drawing D again. 1 minute. Okay, so this is like this, this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. This is the West and this is the East. So this will help to know your coordinate in which direction you are. So from you can see you have to draw like these lines that I have drawn. Okay, so you have to draw like this and numbering it from 180, then 10 and 90. 180. Okay, so now first you have to know your से कहा यस सर. अरे सर मैं मार्किंग कर रही हूँ ना. इक्वेटर जीरो पे समझ गए. ठीक है. So you have to first find your direction. So if your direction is north, if your direction is
you should mention it कि ये direction है so that other can understand. You are को बहुत difficulty होती है नहीं.
okay, sir. So you can see this is the direction. So now you can imagine you are in the upper part of the earth from equator. So you can see. So this is the north. So you have to write north. In west or south. So it will help you to know about a correct direction in a quarter. Means you can say like this in this area. You can say like I'm taking the northeast. Okay. So yes. So it is you have to write the north and then east. Now you know that about this. There is the 180 line. So what is called? It is called the latitude. It is called the latitude. So from the latitude you have to know that about what is your means what is how from which degree you are from which degree you can see if this is for me if this is 50 degree you can say 50 degree you have right. Okay, now you have to know about the what is your time. So if you have to know your time, so you this is like this is so this is 50 and this is 51. Okay, so there are 60 minutes in this. You can say a 1 hour. From 1 hour, there is a coordinate like you can take 36 minute. Okay, then you have to know about your seconds. Means you have to also divide this. Means from 36 to 37. There are 60 seconds. You all know about it. So 36 to 37. 1 minute, yeah. 37. So they are 60 seconds. So now from 60 seconds means it is 13. So that is called your north. It is for your north. Okay. So now you have to west from east. So this is a line. This is a line which you locate yourself, but this is a long line from where you are from here. Sorry, it is of east. Okay, I'm writing wrong. 36, 13. It is the sign of the minute and it is the sign of the second. If you don't know, so I'm telling about it. So now this is of the east. Now you have to know about the north. So you know this is the Greenwich line. You know, so you have to comment in the comment box. So this is the Greenwich line. So you have to divide like this, in the 60 parts. Means sorry, in the 80, 180 times. Okay. So now you have to divide it. So now you have taken 50 from the 50, like this is the 50. So this is 50. Okay, and then you're showing a line, a straight line. So that straight line will tell you about your exact coordinate. So like this is the coordinate, this is your line, and this is the means this is come like this is the 50. So this is come in this is 50 all the line, and this is will come. So this is the point where you are.
Width and height.
Huh?
Width and height.
Width and height, yes. So now you have to tell your minute. So like first you have to tell your what is your coordinate, means in the points. So like this is the, if you will see that this is the 36 from my, you can take the 34. Okay, 34. Now you know the exact, but how was it is exact, you have to know the time. So if you are in the you are traveling in the plane, so they are working from the GPS. So GPS will have them about the time. If the time is wrong, so they will crash, or there is some another problem. So you have to take the time, so you have to divide it in the
So इसके
34
लिए plane हवा में होता है
35 60 minutes. From the 60 minutes you can take 48 minutes. Now you have to take second. So you while taking the second, like this is for 48 minute, and you cannot know your exact coordinate, so you have to 49. Between this there is a many lines, 60 lines. So like this is some forward, so it will like this is the 3. So you have to 3, it is minute and it is second. So this is your north and east coordinate, and you can know about the northwest and southwest. So this is the you can find a coordinate about your where you are from that place.
especially for the ships and the
Ships and the planes, that fighter jet, this is important for that. And my one mistake is that this is the northwest one, this is 50. Okay, my one mistake I'm correcting. Okay, so thank you for watching. I have a question. What is the longitude and latitude? You have to tell. And one more question, that the topic of Capricorn from which continent are passing? Comment in the box, subscribe, like.